Hello, in this video we are going to see the usage of -co and collect only switch. That is, it will collect only test and will not execute test. nRoBo -co and run it. And here we can see these are the tests that are collected to be executed, but this switch will not execute them, but it will only show the tests that are going to be executed if you execute them. So this says this is a test. Here we can see this is the module and here are the tests. All those tests are collected by PyTest to be run, and the same, this is the sorter key. We can use the collect only key and the result will be the same. Thank you.